But I just checked how much money I've made so far since I started monetizing in September. Oh my God, are you serious? This is not real. This is not. Oh, Lord knows I need this money. I don't think y'all understand how hard This has got to be a joke, y'all. Let me pull over. Because Lord knows I need this money. Oh my God, this is a joke. Are you serious? I have always had the dream to become a YouTuber or grow on YouTube before they even started doing the monetization. But I just checked how much money I've made so far since I started monetizing in September. Oh my God, are you serious? This is not real. This is not. Oh, Lord knows I need this money. I don't think y'all understand how hard I work. We all work hard, but I work so hard, y'all. I work so hard. And I just said, Lord, please, I need a break. And he just said, keep showing up, keep posting on YouTube, keep working. I work 12, 18 hours a day doing food delivery, and I love it. And I do it because I can work on my purpose. I can post content. I can talk to y'all. And the love, I mean, y'all show me so much love, and I so appreciate it. And I just keep showing up, and God said, your time is coming. Just keep showing up. Just keep showing up. Keep posting even when you feel like giving up. Keep posting when it feels like the days are hard, the days are long, and you're tired. Just keep posting. Just keep posting. Just keep posting. Don't give up on yourself. Don't listen to people. Don't let them stop your grind. Just keep posting, y'all. And when I tell y'all I need this money, like I need this money. I didn't, I put
Welcome guys, welcome to Rodney's Kitchen and Lifestyle. Today, I want to talk to you about a nice, simple matter where me see a go on and me hear a go on. So I want to put my spin on it, my turn on it, and my views on it. Yes, man. Me want to put my views on it. But first, I want to say thank you, enough respect to all my viewers and subscribers. Thank you very much. If you allow me inside your room, inside your paradise. Yes, man, I want to say thank you very much to take the time out to watch my videos. Thumbs up, like the videos, and share my videos. However, my viewers and subscribers, I don't know why or how it reached to this. But first, before I tell you what I go talk about, is let me big up a few of my beautiful friends and family YouTube content creators. I want to say big up to KC Adventure. My viewers and subscribers, me ask you if you go support her, go over there, take a look on our page, like our page, subscribe to our page if you like what she's doing over there. No other than Oliver Lifestyle or Oliver Unfiltered. Yeah man, give the youth a check him out. Him straightforward. Him not go round up corner, him not beat round the bush, him just so gear it, just as it is. Manix, me see you, me a watch you. Go over there, go check him out. Nice youth, respectful youth. Him not beat round no bush either. Him go tell it just as it is. Manix, yeah man. Maki Adventure, let's say a word youth. Peace and love. Love how you are going, love how you are do. And you don't know, me not left out Ocean and Noya. Yeah man. Big up Young family them, big them up. And you know me have to call out name as the big guns them. Yeah man. Color Smith. No say a word youth. Enough respect. I God alone. Yeah man. Walking TV. Drizzy Burke. Big up yourself. Professor Bingy. Much love. No say a word. You don't know. Sunshine Boss. Peace. And love. Love what you do. Yeah man. Me just love what you do. Me not gonna say nothing more. And you don't know. Last but not least. The Gizada General. Yeah man. Who are the Gizada General? Yeah man. Big up. Big up. Big up. Enough respect. Enough respect. Yeah man. Anyway. My viewers and subscribers. You hear me I say. YouTube is for everybody. See? Yeah man. YouTube is for every single person on earth. If you can do it. If you will do it. If you have the time to do it. If you feel like you want to find the time to do it. YouTube is for everybody. No make nobody tell you say you can't do YouTube. Whether if you're young, middle age, whole age, whole, no matter what it is. There's no number that says you cannot go on YouTube. There's no age. With that said, my viewers and subscribers, I want to talk to you today about DoorDash. Yes, man, I want to talk to you about DOUGH Dash. DoorDash. DoorDash. She leak YouTube biggest secret. Now the internet, the entire internet want to see her gone. They don't like her no more. They want to see her dismissed, gone, sayonara, not on YouTube no more. Why? That's the question. Why? I think I have the simple, most honest answer. Yes, man, I think I find the most honest, the simplest answer for this outburst of hatred, dislike, bad mind, covetous, envy that DoorDash is getting all of a sudden. My viewers and subscribers, DoorDash herself said she's on YouTube long time. When she get monetized, she was very elated, surprised, very happy. And she herself said she keep posting, and without her viewers and subscribers, she couldn't be who she is or where she is. However, my problem is, DoorDash didn't do anything wrong to anybody. All she did was make her videos, post her videos. You guys watch it. What I think is the major problem was when she showed how much money she's making. Because you know money mash up everything. Money make friend, money break friend, money mash up everything. That was when the problem started to come in. Because now she said she leave her 9 to 5. She would never work another 9 to 5. But why she would never work another 9 to 5? You think she'll leave 9 to 5, she'll leave the corporate world and go sit down? No, she did not. No, she did not go and sit down after she leave 9 to 5. She go and she work 10, 15, 20 hours a day. But the thing is, nobody see that. Nobody see that part of it. She was doing DoorDash, Grubhub, all the delivery companies that's out there. She was doing all of those with her YouTube while posting what she's doing. The mistake that DoorDash made that allowed the internet to want to see her gone was when she started to show the amount of money that she's making. The viewers and subscribers, the amount of money that she was making would surprise everybody, because people don't really do that. DoorDash said, okay, I'm going to show you guys how I did it. She built a video showing how she did it. Now here's where the major part of the problem comes in. While she was on YouTube for 6 years, yes, the problem that comes with it was that the money that she shows trigger a lot of people. But people, viewers and subscribers, we all have to remember that God gave that package to DoorDash. God didn't give it to anybody else. He gave it to DoorDash. That was DoorDash's gift. However, DoorDash decided to share how she did it. She make a video of how she did the whole YouTube thing and start to raise money and start to get paid from YouTube. That amount. A lot of people went and purchased. Hear me out. A lot of people went and purchased her thing, purchased her videos. Now, my viewers and subscribers and everybody out there in this world, she said this is how she do it. That doesn't mean you are going to do it the same way how DoorDash did it. That was for DoorDash. And that's where the problem comes in. That is where everything breaks down. If you scratch on my head, because a lot of you went out, buy the video, pay for the video, try the same thing that DoorDash did. It didn't work. Sorry. And then guess what? Everybody now dislike her. Want her off the internet. Wanted to ban her. Want YouTube to ban her. Want YouTube to do everything to her because now she's a scammer. Now they're saying DoorDash scam people. Now let me give you my honest. She didn't scam nobody. DoorDash didn't scam nobody. DoorDash did what DoorDash have to do. And what it did, it helped her. However, because it comes with money, and some of you all did not make a dollar. Some of you all didn't even get to monetize because you all believe that it go happen overnight or by the snap of the finger. Remember, DoorDash is on YouTube for 6 years or more and did not monetize until September. So, when I say, what am I saying is, do not dislike a person for how they do their things. And do not try to do it just as how that person do it, because it won't work. It will not work. It not go work. And it ain't going to work that way for you, like how it work for DoorDash. Now, hear me out for another time. I said she leaked the YouTube secret. That's her YouTube secret. There's many other ways people can gain access, people can gain money, people can make money on YouTube. You have to just put the work in. Come up with something from out your great mind. Stop trying to use what other people use to be a YouTuber, to make a lot of money. The viewers and subscribers, listen me. You see all those money DoorDash making? I have never seen those money. Hopefully one day. Hopefully one day. And I will never dislike her. I will never say anything bad about her. And you know why? Why should I say something bad about a person who is trying? About a person who is doing something that they love? Why should I be ruthless towards a person who been struggling, find her way into something that make her happy? Why should I? And I go ask you, why should you? Why should you dislike her for trying, for working hard, for doing something that makes her happy, make her money, make her decision that she made not to do a 9 to 5 again worthwhile? Let me say this. You all can do it too. Yes. And I go put myself in there. We all can do it. But what we have to do is we have to make up our mind and ask ourselves, what is it that we really want out of it? A lot of people come on YouTube, under the comment, they tell you, all you want is money. All you're looking is views. All you're looking is clout. Well, let me say this to you. Don't go to work. Please do not go to work. Stay home. Sit at your home. Don't work. And you'll see what happened to you. The light going to be turned off. The internet going to be turned off. The water going to be turned off. The house going to be gone because you're not paying any rent, you're not paying any mortgage. So what am I trying to say to you is, everything we do is all about making money. Don't let nobody tell you they're not in it for the money. my viewers and my subscribers and my everybody and my well-wishers, don't let nobody tell you that they're not in it for the money. When they tell you they're not in it for the money, ask them why they're in it. They go tell you, oh, I just love it. But don't pay them 1 week and you see how much love they have for it. Don't pay them 1 month and you see how much love they have for it. Don't pay them for the work that they do or for the work that they put in and see how much love and how much they're really interested in the work. My viewers and subscribers, DoorDash go hard. When I go on her page and I look, she go hard. She put out a lot of videos. A lot of videos. She have her little... But that's just her style. I listened to a guy talking about how weird she looks. And all I get from that was 8. That's all I get. If that's her style, that's just her style. Your style could be, you could make your own style. My style is welcome to Rodney's Kitchen and Lifestyle, because that's just my style. That's how I feel like presenting myself to you at the first of you seeing me. Welcome to Rodney's Kitchen and Lifestyle. That's my style. Her style is... That's her style. So, my viewers and subscribers, I personally don't believe the internet, the YouTubers, the content creators, the viewers, I don't think people should be hating on DoorDash like that because of where she is. I think they should be showing her a lot more love. Right now I realize she's at 74K. 74,000K, yeah. That's almost close to 100 to get that plaque on the wall. Now, that's the goal for everybody on YouTube. Because when you reach at that stage, you start to benefit more. The more viewers, the more up there is, the more you get. Let me leave you all with this. YouTube is a business. YouTube is a very good business. Many of us don't realize that you can be on YouTube or you can be a YouTuber and 10, 15 years from now, you're still getting paid from videos that you did 15 years ago. Many people don't realize that. Each video that you did way back then, you continue making revenue. My viewers and subscribers, I don't know if all of you know this, but YouTube is like music. Music, you make the song and you get royalty from that song constantly. That's what YouTube is. Sometimes you may get $1, $2, $10, $20. It all depends on how much people watch your video, like your video, share your video. Because that's what YouTube is. YouTube is a business, and until YouTube stop, cut down, turn off. Once you is a content creator and you monetize and start to get paid, you will be getting paid for the rest of your life. So DoorDash is just doing that. But because of what she's doing, people dislike DoorDash for who she is and how she's getting it. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, that was my view, my review, my talk, my 2 cents about this DoorDash situation. I hope you all like it. I hope you respect what I said. If you don't like what I said, I understand that. Each one teach one. We have to learn from somebody. And I learned a few things from DoorDash. So that's why I have to come out here and put it across to you guys. So until the next video, I'm out. And I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye. I eat that.